Hello. In this video, we will see how computers share information with us. For that, we need output devices. So in previous video, we have seen some examples of output devices, but now in this video, we will learn what exactly output devices are and how exactly they work internally. So output device is any device which can send process data from computer to user. So data can be of different type, visual, audio, or physical. Visual can be your movie or your monitor. Audio can be your songs, and physical can be like a printer. So this is basic definition of output devices. Then how do output devices work? These work exactly opposite to the input device. They receive the process data from the CPU and they convert the digital signal into human perceivable form, and then they present it to user. Opposite to this, in input devices, we used to get some human perceivable form. We convert it into digital, and then we used to send it to CPU for processing. But in this, we are getting data from CPU, then convert it into human perceivable form, and then presenting it to user.